So, end of the era. Deep Pit's open. So this is going to be the last video, unless something dramatic happens, on the Wigan and Bolton electrification scheme. Let's go and have a look. Obviously on the Hindley side now, this is the original wall that's always been here. Now previously the bridge went up, you can get a decent shot of it, see the parapet there, and it would have landed right here, but now we've got the ramp that's been featured on the previous videos. So let's have a look at that from the drone. So nice touch they've done here is putting this sign in about the history of the Footbridge. So a quick look at it, so not go over all of it, but basically it was put in 1882, because previously there'd been a level crossing, manufactured in Wigan, and the stone supports were built by M. Middlehurst of Rainford. Bit of detail about the bridge there. Just careful I don't scan that and link to some website, Historic England. Now found this interesting, never heard of this before. The day the bridge flipped, I can get my words out, August 1882. So apparently as they was installing it, flipped over. High winds in August, and they go about climate change now. That was back in 1882, well, let's not fall down that rabbit hole. Bit of information of where and what they've done for the electrification scheme, and then a little bit of history about the grading of it on Historic England and listed, etc. A little bit of facts about it, and obviously the amount of lines, which obviously those of you who don't know the area, there was a lot of lines going underneath it at some point. Compared to what there is now, there's only two, but the line splitting off left, right and centre at one stage. Well, we're just filming that sign there. Turned around to a lady with a dog, a lovely lady just walking a dog. She called this the roller coaster. Now it has split some debate, these new ramps, about the length of it, etc. So let's do the ultimate test. Middle-aged fat northerner. How long does it take me to reach the top? Let's go. One minute 14. Oh well. Back to the old school, bring back some memories of this. Just looking over the track now. Get through to the other side. Now the only real addition since the works, did that too quick. These sheets obviously have to protect the live wires. Previously it was all this corrugated wire mesh stuff. one thing I did notice earlier was this little note here. So I'm guessing that is when it closed and then when it reopened. So I'll look back on the other videos. I'm sure it was around August 2024 that it closed. It was opened on Monday, 26th of Jan. We've got the ramp going down, and then they've got the option of the steps also. So same on the Aspel side here, got the cobbles reinstated. Same sign. And again, go towards the actual deep pit lodge. Just a mess down here with this footpath. Just talking to a gentleman who was walking his dog and explaining that these paths either side are just not brilliant at all, are they? And then just looking back. So let's go back over and then we'll go back to the other side. So like I said, that's it. Unless anything happens on the project, that will be the last video on the Wigan and Bolton Railway electrification scheme. So I'm going to leave you with this shot of deep pit, fully open, fully operational. The bridge just needs a coat of paint. Actually, it might not be the last video on the project, because if they paint that, I'm going to keep an eye on that. Might be a little bit of a postscript on that. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with some videos from various times over the project. I did spend a couple of years filming these. So thanks again for watching the project. Check out the playlist and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.